Let me show you a really simple way to upload files or entire folders to your Google Drive. First, go to the website drive.google.com. If you are not signed into your Google account, it's going to bring you to this page. All you have to do is press Go to Drive, and then it's going to ask you to log into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you could go ahead and create one from here. Now, once you log into your Google account, you should land on a page that looks like this, and it's going to put us right here on the Home tab. So what we could do right here is press New, and here we could upload a file or we could upload a folder. But what I recommend you do first is actually create a new folder to keep things nice and organized. So in this case, these are going to be my work documents, and I'm going to go ahead and create that folder. And once you create a folder, you'll see a folder over here called Work Documents. And it's going to show up if you click this drop down right here. There's one called Work Document. I'm going to click on it. It's going to bring me to that folder. So now when I upload something, it goes directly to this folder to keep things nice and organized. So I'll press New, and then now I'll press File Upload. And then that's going to bring us to our desktop. If you're on a Mac or on a PC, it doesn't matter. It brings you to your desktop, or you could go to individual folders on your computer, or if you have any external hard drives plugged in. Find a document you want to upload. Let's say this is a Word document. I'm going to upload that here. And right down here, you'll see it says one file uploaded, and you got a check mark next to it. So now if I go back here, this is the document, and I could go ahead and actually open this document over here, and it's going to let me edit this Word document right inside of Google Docs. Now I'm going to close this window to come back over here, because you could also upload an entire folder, so you don't have to just do individual files like this. And you could do PDFs, you could do images, you could basically upload any type of file here. Okay, I got this folder here, and it's got a bunch of different folders inside of that folder too, just to show you what that ends up looking like. I'm gonna upload that, and then it's gonna show me right here, it says 0 out of 23. So then it's gonna tell me how long it's gonna take. Now these are big video files, so it's gonna take 4 or 5 minutes here. I'll let this finish up. And now I got the check marks over here. So now I have that Word document I uploaded first, but now I got this entire folder, and it's organized within my Work Documents folder. You see it's a subfolder within that. And if I go in there, there's multiple folders within that as well. So if I go to the video one by double clicking it, these are all the videos that are inside of there, and I could go ahead and preview them from here. And if you want to share any of these, let's go back over here. If you want to share any of these, just press the 3 dots next to one. You could download it again to your computer if you want, but in this case, I want to go ahead and press share right here. And you could go ahead and press this share option, or you could copy the link. If you press share, and then you could go ahead and type in someone's email over here. And if you want anyone with a link to access it, you need to change this restricted to anyone with a link. And then you could just copy this link from here and then email this link or text this link to someone, and then they could access this document and download it from their end. At any time, you could press these 3 dots as well, and you could go ahead and move this to trash if you no longer want it on your Google Drive, and that will delete it from your Google Drive. Now, if you want to learn all about Google Drive, I have a complete tutorial that I'll link right over here on screen, and you could watch that next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.